Hello everyone, my name is Ellipse. I am the developer who was in charge of maintaining the add-on TotalRP2. I'm currently working on TotalRP3 with Taco Straz, the original author of TotalRP2. If you didn't watch my previous video, I'm French, so please excuse my mistakes. So in this video, I will show you how to back up your add-on preferences. We all know that it's really annoying when you lose all your add-on preferences, and whether it is your Hillbot bindings or your auctioneer history, it's really annoying. But it's even annoying when it's TotalRP2 because as it's a role-playing add-on, it's all about creating content. Either it is a long story for a character or fun items, so it is a big loss. That's why whenever I can, I really encourage people to back up their add-on preferences, preferably in the cloud, so your files are in a safe place if something happened to your computer, but an external drive is fine too. Also, if you're using the Curse client for managing your add-ons, they have a premium subscription plan for $30 a year that gives you automatic add-on syncing and add-on preferences backups. So you might consider that if you have really important stuff there. So for this video, I'm going to use Dropbox as a cloud system, but you can also use Google Drive, OneDrive, or Microsoft, or any other cloud services. All of them usually give you a sufficient amount of gigabytes of storage, so you can really pick whichever you want. So I have made a new account on this Dropbox. So the best thing to do is to have a dedicated folder for storing all your files for World of Warcraft, so I'm going to call it World of Warcraft Backups. What I like to do is do incremental backups, which mean you keep the previous backup alongside with the new one. That's useful when you want to restore a file at a specific date. So I'm going to create a new folder for today. And use that one. Now we're going to have to go to our World of Warcraft folder. The best way to do this is to use the Battle.net app. You can go to the option menu here, and you have an option to reveal the folder in the Finder. That's for Mac. For Windows, it's just called Show in Explorer, and you go to your Program Files folder, and you go to World of Warcraft, and it's basically the same folder. Now, in this folder, you have several things, and what's interesting is the WTF folder, which means World of Warcraft text file, not what you can think. And in this folder, you have your account folder. This folder now should have your account name. You could have several account folders if you're using multiple accounts on World of Warcraft. So you have to do what I'm about to do for each folder. So into that folder you will have several files, one for each realm you're on, and one for every realm, which is called saved variables. So we're going to go into that one, because that's where the TotalRP2 files are saved. But if you want to back up some other add-on files, you will need to back up those too, so you might just back up that folder. But anyway, I'm going to show you for TotalRP2. So here we have files ending with .lua and .lua.back. .back is just a backup files. It's automatically created when you launch World of Warcraft. It renames your old .lua to .lua back. So it has the previous version, and then you have the version that's going to be saved when you quit World of Warcraft again. So we don't need to use the back for files, as they are old files. And I'm just going to focus on the Lua files. So to back up TotalRP2 files, you just need to select those starting with TotalRP2. And all you have to do is drag them to your Dropbox folder. And now everything is backed up on Dropbox. Now if you want to restore your files, you just need to select the folder for the specific date you want to restore, click the download button, open the archive, and just move back your files, and you restore all your preferences. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it will help you back up your add-ons and hopefully avoid another catastrophic moment where you've lost everything. Also, come join us on the TotalRP3's forum, which is at forums.telcostress.be, which is for Belgium. We have a suggestion topic in the forum where you can post your suggestion and see what has been suggested so far, and maybe you can get your favorite feature into TotalRP3. Thank you.